Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing my crafty bonbons unboxing for this month, and this is for the month of November, and this is celestial themed, I believe. So let's get right to it. Oh wow. Okay. Wow. Okay. So first up is a beautiful pen that is in keeping with theme. You'll probably notice like there's loads of blues and whatnot and golds and sparkly bits. So that's a lovely pen. I am sure. Oh, this would be, oh, it's a twisty one. It's a black ink. So that is cute. And then you get a packet of stickers. Oh, that's a lot. That's good. Oh, those are pretty. Oh, wow. Okay. So as you gathered, it's very celestial themed. Oh, I like that. Could be good for journaling and stuff. Okay. Then you get a, oh, that's a cute washi tape. Don't know whether you can see it. Let me just see. It's cute, huh? And then you get a nice packet of die cuts again. And this time, those little, oh, that is cute. So you can use this for your cards, for your journaling. That is really nice. That is so cute. Look at that. It's like, I can put that on my December daily thing. Moon. Yeah, those can be go to right. Then you get, what is this? Oh god, what are these? Oh, there's some loads of sparkly stuff floating about. Oh, there you go. Oh, there's a little kind of like, I don't know, star thing in there that you can, I don't know what you call them, like a, not an ephemera, but embellishment you can use on your card perhaps. Cancer, that's my kind of like, that's my star sign. Is it star sign? I don't know whether this, yeah, so that's another celestial thing. Oh, I like that. I love it, love it, love it. And then you get this. What is this? It's like a pack of cards. Oh wow, that is lovely. It's a very nice card as well. Look, Taurus, Aries. Oh my days, that is so beautiful, that deck of cards. Right, you get a lot of sparkly bits in your box. Okay, I'm gonna put that onto one side. So you get another pack of die cuts, I believe. Got that. Is it? So you've got that, and you've got this. Oh my goodness. They are beautiful. That's Cancer, I believe. Oh, that is such a beautiful. These are beautiful die cuts. Oh goodness. And then you get this sparkly, I think this is a sticker or adhesive backed sparkly thing. You can put this in your journals, planners, whatever, however you want to use it. There's another sparkly guy. Okay, there's some postcards in here. Oh my goodness, Scorpio. Where are those Scorpio? I think you get one for each star sign, isn't it? These are gorgeous. Leo, Gemini. Oh my goodness, and they're really nice thick cards. Oh, I love it. I love these postcards. Oh no. Okay, so there are some, I think this is adhesive stickers. Adhesives that you can seal your letters with. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 of each kind. There's one there you can seal your envelope with. These are circular stickers. Then you get a letter writing set. So you get 8 pieces. That is so pretty. And then you get your oh, what you call this? Vinyl stickers. Oh, and there's the instruction for your stickers, and there is the information about the collaboration or the shop in the Facebook group. So yeah, you can check them out. Oh, more sparkly things. Right. Oh, more vinyl stickers. So again, it's, oh, that's rude. Sorry. I'm sure it's that way because of the heart. But yeah. Oh, and you get they personalize it as well. So this will go onto my next year's journal, which is really nice. And then you get some adhesive backed. These are like washi strips, but they're sticker strips, which is good. Love it. Oh, that is really nice. So this can be used in your journal again. You can use this as your planner. You can use this as a divider. But I think what I'll do is I'll create it to make it into as a pencil board for my next year's planner or journal, because I am using an A5 next year. Oh, there's more of that washi strips. So yeah, there you go. It's like a washi strip. That is so cool. And then I've asked for an A5 notebook this time. Again, and this time it's plain paper, plain white paper. That's really pretty. You can almost do that and put your dreams and wishes in there or something, or you can do that. I'm gonna have to ask Ali what this, Ali and Debbie, what this means. Yeah, sorry, I've got a very dirty mind. How dare me? Oh, there's more. And you get a pencil, gray pencil. Yeah. More sparkly bits. And oh, what is this? Oh, it's a magnet. I think this is a magnet. I'm gonna put it in my fridge. It's a magnet. Yeah, I think so. So that can go in my refrigerator, in the refrigerator, for us to post notes and stuff. It's really cute. And then here are the papers. So they're good quality paper, as you always know. These are quite good cardstock. That's one inside-sided. This one's quite thin, but still a good quality paper. You can make cards with it, or that. This one's quite thick. That's so cute, and you can use this as postcards. This one's a paper, I guess, but again, it's a very thick paper, and that is beautiful. Here's another one. They're all one-sided. Yeah. And here's another one with all the constellations. Oh my god, this is so pretty. This is another one. It's very thick, and you can use this to make like your notebook and journals and stuff. Yeah, it's so pretty. So that's it, guys. That's my November. This is my November Craftybonbons box, and it's again well thought of, very pretty, and yes, full up to the brim again, and I love it. I love this little washi strips because you can put it on your journals. That would be great. So yeah, please give me a thumbs up if you have if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. And yeah, do check them out. Check the Facebook group. I think there's probably a few boxes left, or maybe at this point they're gone. They're very popular. But yeah, if you want to know what's coming up and whatnot, join the Facebook group so you know what's upcoming and what's the theme for the next one. And you get first dibs on the box, basically. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time in the next video.